We used to live as we want, pursue our goals in a world of freedom. We used to be ambitious and dreamy. We used to color this life with our own vibe. But how much energy do we need to fight for us? And how much fresh air will be enough for it? We used to learn about environment caring. Growing up, these things are gone. Because we only learn to protect ourselves for the present, not for our future. We learn to live as if today is the last day, but forget we have tomorrow. Remember, environment is a limited credit card. The blue sky, now just an old story. It's not too late to put into action. Filter the surrounding air. Filter the surrounding environment. Cause this is our home.